I will be starting off this video by unboxing the Redragon Draconic Pro mechanical wireless keyboard. That is a very long name, but it seems like the box is a little bit damaged, but not to worry, we will unbox this really carefully. I will get into the review of this keyboard later on in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. We're gonna start by getting the other box that is in this box right here. So I really like what they did with the packaging because it's a budget keyboard, but they let it feel really premium. So you're gonna try to open up this box over here, and if you open up this one, you'll immediately be greeted with the keyboard itself as well with a lot of other accessories. So if we have a look in the box, as you guys can see, there is another box. These companies really like their boxes, right? I think this is some extra mechanical switches, and then we're gonna take out the keyboard. Of course, we're just gonna put that aside for now because that is the best part of the unboxing. But if we put that aside and you look into the box, there is going to be more items. That is how you remove your mechanical switches. Of course, we'll get into that later. Then we get included stickers, so we're not even gonna look at the instructions. Now that we are in the middle of the video, I will start talking a little bit slower just because a lot of you guys are really impatient when I get into long intros. But if you take the keyboard over here, you will see there is a USB Type-C port. Now you do get a USB Type-C cable included, so do not worry about that. I just didn't show it in the box. But we are going to turn on the keyboard, and as you guys can see, the LEDs absolutely look amazing. That is how the switches sound. If you guys wanted to hear that, it's not really loud. This is for the USB Type A connection if your PC doesn't have Bluetooth, but then you can also switch the keyboard to Bluetooth if your PC actually supports it. The keyboard also includes these mechanical switches. As you guys can see, this is how the box looks. Now, we are unboxing a ton of things today, but you get 4 extra, I think this is red mechanical switches. As you guys can see, this is how they look. So that will be helpful if you kind of manage to damage them. You also get this keycap remover. As you guys can see, you just simply remove it like that. It's really easy. I actually removed all of these keycaps already and then placed them back just to test out if it's good quality. And I have to say, it is working perfectly. You just simply press on it again until you hear a click and it's secured. Now, this is the time you guys have all been waiting for. We can finally get into the review of this keyboard. Now, guys, I have had this keyboard for a very long time. Actually, I've had it for about 1 year at the moment. But of course, I did make an unboxing for you guys, so you guys can get the full unboxing experience. But I'm gonna do a 1-year review on this keyboard to tell you guys if it's actually worth buying in 2024 or if it's worth the money. So this is actually a really good value budget keyboard. It is gonna be different in every currency, basically the price range. So I'll try to put it on screen right now. But I don't really have any problems with it, guys. It is not a very loud keyboard. It charges really fast, and guys, the battery life on this keyboard is actually amazing. I always get like about 1 week of battery life if I use my PC for about, like, let's say 3 hours a day. So it is really good, but just keep in mind, if you are going to use this keyboard like let's say 6 hours a day every single day, you're probably gonna have to charge it at the 4th day or something like that. But it is still really good considering it gets a battery that is really heavy and sturdy. So I would recommend this keyboard just off the sheer value for the price range, and you will definitely get a ton of other mechanical keyboards out there that is really overpriced. So I don't really see anything needed that is better than this one at the moment. Just for the casual gamers, you know, even competitive playing will be good on this keyboard. There is nothing wrong with it, and there is really not anything bad I can say about it, even though I really want to. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. I would recommend this keyboard. It is a wireless mechanical keyboard, red switches, I believe, and you actually get great app customization. If you guys want to see this, this is the app you can use with the keyboard, and you can even have a music mode, which is kind of crazy because that means the keyboard lights actually react to the song that you're listening to, or even if somebody's talking on like the audio on your PC. It's just really helpful. You can even connect it to your mic, I believe, and you can change it from RGB to any type of color. So yeah, really a lot of adjustability, of course, and you do get included a lot of things with this keyboard. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for the review for 1 year. There's nothing wrong with it. And yeah, basically, I don't know if you guys are interested in another gaming monitor, but if you guys want to, bro, go have a look at this Samsung Odyssey G3 27-inch monitor. I've had this thing for 2 years and it's still going strong, guys. Definitely match this monitor with this keyboard. So if you guys want to go check out that video, it will be up here in the right side corner. Without further ado, guys, please make sure to subscribe so we can reach our goals for this channel, so we can unbox Apple products. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.